Hello everybody, welcome and thank you for attending today's presentation. First and foremost, I'd like to thank MINEX Europe for allowing us an opportunity to speak at this year's conference. My name is Jason Tatman. I'm an overseas marketing and sales manager at HPY Sorting Technology. Our company specializes in sensor-based ore sorting machines. We have spent time revolutionizing and will continue to revolutionize the mining industry. Before we dive deeper, it's important to understand what is ore sorting. Ore sorting is a process that allows companies to use sensor-based technologies to pre-concentrate or sort ores containing commercially valuable minerals and waste rock. Our machines are typically placed during the crushing stages, allowing for future steps such as grinding, ball milling, and flotation to yield better results and save on resources such as water and energy. Sensor-based ore sorting has been around since the 1970s. However, recently we've seen a huge leap in accuracy and efficiency due to technological and information revolutions. Our company has continued to add on to that huge leap. As the only company in the world to focus solely on ore sorting, we have put in our efforts to make sure that our innovation and technology continues to satisfy our customers' needs, as well as continue to advance ore sorting in the mining industry. Ore sorting has three basic steps. The first is to identify the ore. Second, the data is collected by the sensors and sent to the machine so that it can sort the ores between usable ore and waste rock. Our company focuses primarily on two types of sorting technologies. The first being intelligent imaging. The second is XRT X-ray technology. As you can see on the diagram below, the first picture refers to the intelligent imaging and looking at surface characteristics of the ore. Characteristics such as size, color, density, weight. However, as many of you know, it is difficult to detect commercially valuable minerals within ores by just looking at the surface. So we dive a little bit deeper. We use X-ray technology, and our AI algorithm is able to identify and determine commercially valuable minerals within the inside of the ore. Then we are able to sort between usable ore and waste rock. Our AI algorithm has been a big contributor to our success. Our AI algorithm was pioneered and created by our company to ensure that we have great results in terms of accuracy and speed. The Windshoe algorithm sees identification accuracy of up to 99.5%, a recovery rate of up to 98%, and a rejection rate of up to 90%. The combination of our AI algorithm and detection technologies has led us to bring many values to our customers, both economic and environmental. In terms of economic value, on average, our machines give companies economic benefits of 3.13 million USD per year. This is caused by increased sorting quality and reduced sorting costs. In addition, we have very low operation and maintenance costs. The costs come out to less than 1 USD per ton. In terms of environmental benefits, we see a reduction in energy consumption in the flotation and grinding processes due to the pre-concentration and sorting of waste rock and usable ore before it enters those processes. In addition, we also extend the service life and reduce the pressure of tailings ponds. While reducing the number of harmful chemicals seen in traditional ore sorting processes, we also see a reduction in water usage. Through the combination of economic and environmental values, we are able to create more cost-effective, productive, and greener mines and beneficiation processes. A little bit more about who we are. As mentioned, we are HPY Sorting Technology. We were founded in 2015 in Guangzhou, China, and since our inception, we have sold over 300 machines, giving us a 73% domestic market share and the market leader within China. Since 2015, we have won many honors and awards. Two we are extremely proud of. The first being awarded Seed Unicorn Enterprise by Jiangxi Province in 2018. In addition to World's Advanced Ore Sorting Enterprise by the Chinese Non-Ferrous Metals Association. We've also taken steps to protect our innovation, technology, and competitive advantages by having over 100 different types of patents. You can see our customer map. We have worked with customers both within and outside the borders of China. Since 2015, we've worked with over 70 different customers. Some of our customers are the biggest mining companies in China, including Zijin Mining and Shandong Gold. We've also extended past the borders, working in Tajikistan and Russia. We look forward to continuing to grow, working with more companies, and being able to bring benefits globally. Here's a quick look at our product line. We have 4 products. 3 of them were introduced last year. The first is the Circle Series. This machine we are extremely proud of, since it is the world's first ring-shaped structured ore sorting machine. Later, I'll dive deeper into why we chose this structure and what benefits it brings our customers. Next to it is the Golden Coal Series. As the name suggests, it's specifically for coal. It sorts coal from 50 to 300 millimeters and sees a belt speed of 1 meter per second. On the bottom left is our Insight series. It is made for ores that are more difficult to detect with traditional ore sorting machines. Combining both VIS HD imaging and X-ray technology, we're able to fully examine the ores and determine which ones have commercially valuable minerals. The last one is the Classic Series. The Classic Series is the most used and most popular machine throughout China. Since 2015, we've continued to improve on this model, and our customers have seen great results because of it. First up is our Circle Series. Our Circle Series gives customers an average of 4.5 million USD per year in economic benefits. This is mainly achieved through reduced electricity costs, reduced water costs, reduced maintenance costs, reduced tailings disposal. This overall creates a reduced carbon footprint, which helps companies create a greener and better beneficiation process. This machine, compared to traditional machines on the market, has 2 times the sorting accuracy, 3 times the processing capacity, but it only takes up 1/5 of the surface area and 1/3 of the energy consumption. In addition, this machine utilizes aerial imaging and free-fall technology to allow for 30% higher identification accuracy. Here are a few models of our Circle Series. However, we are able to tweak and adjust the machine in accordance to customer requests. This machine sees grain sizes from 5 to 90 millimeters while having production capacity that can reach 300 tons per hour. Here is a quick video on our Circle Series. As you can see, when compared to a traditional ore sorting machine, the traditional ore sorting machine uses a belt. The processing capacity, as well as the row of air jets, is limited by the width of the belt. However, with the Circle Series, we chose the ring shape, circle, because it allows the ores to fall at 360 degrees. This allows for an increased processing capacity of over 3 times. In addition, the air jets cover the 360 degrees, which is also a factor in the increased processing capacity. When looking at the video, you are also able to see the free fall. This free fall contributes to identification accuracy. With traditional XRT ore sorting machines, using the belt often leads to foreign objects or interference with the belt. The free fall allows for the ore to fall in space, allowing for the imaging and X-ray source to accurately identify the ore. Something that's not seen in this video is that the algorithm is also tweaked to adjust for the Circle Series, allowing for higher identification accuracy as well as speed due to the higher processing capacity. Another note is when the ores are transported by the conveyor belt and drop into our vibrating feeder, they also come into contact with a vibrating disc. This disc ensures that the ores continue to evenly fall at 360 degrees to ensure that all benefits of the Circle Series are able to be reached at all times. The next machine is our Insight series. Our Insight series is the most customizable machine. As mentioned before, this machine is made specifically for ores where the commercially valuable minerals are harder to detect, such as gold or molybdenum. Through the combination of using both VIS and X-ray technology as well as free fall, we are able to achieve great results with this machine. This machine utilizes a short belt. Because earlier we did mention that the belt width does influence the processing capacity, we have made this machine at 1600 and 3200 millimeters. After the ores have crossed this short belt, they enter free fall. Where similar to the Circle Series, during free fall, aerial imaging is able to capture the ore in addition to X-ray technologies being able to determine what is within. That way we are able to accurately identify which ores have usable minerals and which ores are considered waste rock. This machine, compared to other machines on the market, has 1.5 times the sorting capacity, 1.4 times production volume, as well as only using 2/3 of the energy and 1/3 of the floor space. This is our Golden Coal Series. Our Golden Coal Series is made specifically for coal because oftentimes when coal is brought to the washing or processing plant, it comes in large grain sizes. That's why our machine is able to process sizes from 50 to 300 millimeters. However, the size doesn't affect the speed. We see an average belt speed of 1 meter per second. In addition, this machine brings a lot of environmental benefits. We see a 3/4 reduction in CO2 emission, a 2/3 reduction in wastewater, as well as a 2.4 million USD reduction in infrastructure investment. Altogether, this brings economic benefits of around 3.8 million USD per year. Last but not least is our Classic Series. Our Classic Series is the most widely used machine in China. This machine brings around 1.5 million USD in economic benefits. Our belt speed averages 3 meters per second and the machine is only 16.4 meters squared. All of our machines are connected to our cloud platform. Our cloud platform allows for companies to have real-time monitoring. They're able to see error detection, they're able to access a Q&A manual, they're able to access online support with our company, parameter controls, as well as data monitoring. In terms of data monitoring, we allow companies to break down their data daily, weekly, and monthly. Therefore, they're able to analyze the production of the machine and ensure that it is continuing to operate at their expectations. All of our machinery is extremely safe. We've ensured that they are all under level 2 protection. If you think about each time that you go to the doctor, you receive about 10 millisieverts of exposure each time. Our machines only emit 0.5 millisieverts per year, which ensures the safety of all employees and workers that are working around or with the machine. Our first case study is a great example on how our technology is able to help in terms of waste rock. Shandong Xinhui reached out to us saying that waste rock piles often contained usable gold. We were able to use our Circle Series to detect which of these waste rocks had usable gold, and were able to help them sort and reach a recovery rate of around 58.41%, which exceeded their expectations. This helped create more economic benefit as they were able to bring more gold to the market and create more profit for the company. Another great case study showcasing our machinery helping with economic benefits is with Yunnan lead and silver oxide mine. Our machinery was able to help them see an increase in resource value of 1.5 billion USD per year. We've also worked with foreign companies that have mines within China. This specific case is with ICL Group from Israel. With ICL Group, we were able to increase their usable ore by 5 million tons, in addition to giving them a value creation of 29.5 million USD. One of the last examples showcases our Insight series. In this first video, you were able to see the inside of the Insight series. However, that's not too clear. Let's take a slower look. These are a lot of examples on how our company has continued to push and innovate to ensure that our technology continues to revolutionize the mining industry. We look forward to future opportunities and working together to create a brighter future. Thank you.